Welcome to our detailed breakdown of the Google Pixel Watch 3, the latest innovation in Google's smartwatch lineup. With the official announcement just around the corner, we're diving deep into everything we've learned so far about this exciting new device. From hardware improvements to new features, this video will cover it all. So, let's explore what makes the Pixel Watch 3 a game changer in the smartwatch world. The Google Pixel Watch 3 is set to make a significant impact with its updated design. One of the most notable changes is the reduction in bezel size, which provides a more immersive viewing experience. The smartwatch will now be available in a larger 45mm size, catering to those who prefer a more prominent display. The design overhaul not only enhances the aesthetics, but also improves usability by offering more screen real estate. The video released ahead of the official launch showcases these design changes in detail. It provides a clear comparison between the 41mm and 45mm variants. One of the standout features of the Pixel Watch 3 is its display. The new model will feature a brighter OLED screen with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. In terms of charging, the Pixel Watch 3 will stick with the 4-pin system used in the Pixel Watch 2 and previous Fitbit models. The smartwatch will include several new running features, such as real-time advice during runs, time of contact with the ground, and stride length measurement. When it comes to battery life, the Pixel Watch 3 maintains the 24-hour performance seen in its predecessor. However, the smaller 41mm model is expected to feature 20% faster charging, which should help users spend less time waiting for their watch to recharge. Google is expected to price the Pixel Watch 3 competitively, with the 41mm model starting at $349 and the 45mm variant priced at $399. For those interested in the cellular version, an additional $100 will be added to the base price. These prices reflect the premium nature of the Pixel Watch 3 and its advanced features. The Google Pixel Watch 3 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over its predecessors. With its improved design, brighter display, and enhanced features, it promises to deliver a top-notch smartwatch experience. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable and stylish smartwatch, the Pixel Watch 3 offers something for everyone. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel Watch 3? Do you think these changes make it a worthy upgrade from the previous models? Share your opinions in the comments section below, and stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch. Until next time, take care.